Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 73 Pontiac Grand Am. This comes from Sean in Mission Viejo, California. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And Sean has requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased audio power, also the Bluetooth and USB features, and so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and set up. I got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get in my area, and we're gonna demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio because it takes a little while. I don't want to get nailed for copyright infringement, so let's go ahead and turn it on to AM talk radio.
Trump or always Trump? There is a corner of Republican land, of conservative land, that is so wired to the
front rear fader.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting.
January 20th of 2025. That is like the enemy.
Okay, this is all being done with the
love
tone
everything
control.
that he stands for? Yeah, but he's a
Fader set.
Okay,
and
left, right,
therein
balance.
lies the danger of
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now
I
same
love
control is adjusting our
if
left-right speaker balance.
If he's the nominee, I'll walk on fire again, crawl through
center
broken glass again to get him elected. If
Balance set.
Okay, make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Chance of winning.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay,
I know that now. I don't know that.
and we'll make sure that the
These guys are both
USB
gonna be out there and run
plays
their
my
campaigns.
radio commercial.
That's what I call famously on my local show, letting the game come to me.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Come on. That's
Okay.
right, it's fine. It's
Okay,
easy.
let's go to FM. I've got all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area.
Los rebasados es muchísima gente.
I'm just going to go right
la
down
que se
the
encuentra
row
ahí
here.
y
One word of encouragement.
TMC.com.
And Seymour Hersh did an even better
Okay,
job.
there's
with
our
the story's
FM.
accent.
Okay, let's try the
Wait,
8-track. Neil Sedaka.
The media doesn't use that.
Okay, we're between songs here, obviously. Okay, I hit the eject button lightly,
We're in there. It was totally unaware of that.
and the tape comes out. Radio comes back.
So now you see how the misdirection was?
All right, let's make sure the dial-light still come. Oh, the dial-light comes on with the radio because it needs that lighting so you can see the tuning pointer. When you turn the unit off, you can hardly see the tuning pointer because it's not lit anymore. So that concludes the test. I'm ready to get on to the next job, and this radio is ready to go back to who I think will be a very happy customer because he's called a couple of times. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order, you won't need to interrupt my work with asking me about my prices and turn times and options in prices for turn time or not options for turn times. That's what everybody wants to know. Turn times are covered on page 9 of the work order. That's stuff that I won't discuss on the phone. So please do review my work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, and after that you probably won't need to call me with questions because that's what the work order is for. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Sean, for your business from California, and we'll see you guys next time.